Hey, what's pumping, guys? So today I weighed in at 93 kg. The lightest I've probably been in about probably 10 to 15 months. Like it's quite low for a morning weigh-in for me. Last week I was probably about 95. So I've been trying to be a bit more active, just focusing on my diet a bit more, eating a bit more clean. Got a set training plan I have in place now. So 2 kg. I'm not sure if I feel much leaner, but I'm sure you'll be able to tell in the video. Let me know what you think. Running a bit late now, so got to go train a client. I'm gonna quickly get some breakfast in. It's gonna be a weird combination, but I'll show you guys what it is. Alright, so like I said, breakfast is a bit of a weird combination. Having 185 grams of chicken breast, grilled, and a banana. Right, only reason I'm doing that with a banana is just because I'm running a bit late. Normally I'll probably have some oats, so it probably shows you how late I'm running if I don't have time to make oats. See you soon. Hot. Okay guys, so the next meal we're going to be doing is our pre-workout meal. We're going to be using some ground rice, just to kind of make a cream of rice with a scoop of protein. So I'm really bad at making this. Normally it turns out disgusting, but I'm trying to do well. So let's go about 60, oh, we'll make it 70. There we go, 70 grams. And all we can do is add some water to that and mix it in and put a scoop of protein, and we're going to do some almond butter just because I'm allergic to peanuts, and I'll show you when it's done. Alright guys, that's kind of how it's going to look when it's done. I don't really like it, some people do. Obviously that's plain at the minute. Some people will add sugar-free syrup, etc. I'm going to add a scoop of protein. So it's just a standard whey protein from the Protein Works. It's going to make it probably, okay, that's 37 grams. So I'll work that out afterwards. And then just going to add about a teaspoon of almond butter. Alright, so this is how it should look when it's done. It's actually not too bad today, I don't mind it. But I'm watching some nice food videos to help get it down. Right, my car's out of service today. So we're going in my brother's car. See you at the garage when it's time to train, doing legs today. Right guys, so we're here now. It's leg day today. Workout will be on the screen now. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is squats. Just did my last warm-up set. Now that's 180 kg on there. We're going for 6 reps and hopefully 3 sets. Let's get it. Right, so I just finished my sets of squats. Now it's on to deadlifts. This workout's really kicking my ass because it's only my second week doing it. Not even second week, it's my second session. So I've reprogrammed to sort of work on my weak points. Last week I did 140 kg for 3 sets of 8, so I want to try at least match that or maybe do slightly better. See you then. Right, so done with deadlifts. Next exercise we're going to do is lunges. We're normally doing walking, but we don't really have the space here, so we're going to be doing them on the spot. Also today, I thought I'd note feeling quite drained, just due to normally I'd be drinking some kind of carbs while I'm training and some amino acids and stuff, but I've run out, so I need to order some of that, and hopefully I shouldn't feel this bad on my next session. Right, so next one we're doing is hip thrust, but because of our bench with these handles here, it can't really do a traditional hip thrust off the bench, so we're going to be doing hip bridges off the floor. Another thing is, the bar is absolutely killing, so I might have to like wrap my hoodie around it or something, but I just added this to my program 5 days ago again. I think the most I've ever done is like 220 for a set of 10 or something like that. I'm starting off really light until we get a new bench, which is on the way, so right now I'm just going to go light and slowly focus on the squeeze. We were traveling mountains just to find out peace. We said no matter fire, no, we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, sunny under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Right, last but not least, we're just going to do calves. We're doing 3 sets of 20. I think that's about 80 kg on there.
Make it last forever. Stop inside. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. You won't get away.
Right guys, that was the workout. Hope you enjoyed. I should probably next week be using that machine instead for my lunges because I think didn't really feel right with the bar doing it on the spot. And hopefully I've got a bit of kit coming soon, and I should be doing squats instead of on that using the rack. I'll see you for dinner now. Right, next meal we're going to be doing is steak and potatoes. We've got 170 grams of steak and 575 grams of potatoes. I might have a little bit of broccoli on the side. Steak will be cooked in a little bit of butter, and the potatoes won't be cooked in anything other than salt, just in the oven. So, right, let's get these potatoes cut. Right, so the potatoes are cut. Next thing we're going to go on to is seasoning the steak. All we're doing for that is black pepper, garlic powder and salt. And we're going to season both sides. While I'm waiting for the potatoes to cook, just snacking on some hummus and crackers. Right, the potatoes are almost done in the oven, so let's get started on the steak. Here's a tip: if you want your veggies to taste nice, just cook them in the same pan that you're cooking your meat in. Right, we're going to take the steak off to rest while everything else finishes cooking now. And we'll finish off the veggies and get them coated in all that nice flavour. And there we go, dinner is served. So let me tuck in. I've also got a glass of orange juice as well. Right guys, so that wraps up today's video. I did have one more meal, which I'll put on the screen over here somewhere, and the calories maybe over here somewhere. Yeah, I forgot to record it. I guess I'm not in this part of this YouTube life just yet. I need to get used to it. But you know what, give me a like, because it's the first time I've ever recorded 2 consecutive weeks, and I'm going to try to keep it up. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next week.